What's going on, people? It's Ken Jackson here. I'm gonna show you guys the other side, the other part of taking off the armrest cover for your Maxima. Let me get some light up in here. I used the drill for a second. Can I drill you for a second, man? Let me get some better lighting. I done let somebody borrow my flashlight and they done ran the battery down, so I gotta use this one, right? So, pretty much, I guess, if your fingers are small enough, to be honest with you, you can stick it right under there and pull it out. If you want to stick a flathead right in between here, you can do that as well. But all I did was took my hand, pulled it out. So simple. Make sure your tabs and stuff and everything is okay. You got your vents and stuff. Matter of fact, let me look at this vent real quick. This shit's small as hell. But what you're gonna do, you got 3 Phillips head. 1, 2, 3, right? You're gonna unscrew those. That's gonna allow you to take off your armrest. Don't worry about these right here. Worry about this. Worry about that. 3 at the top. Oh, did I forget to mention that these were Phillips heads as well? You got 2 more on the side right here. If I can't get to that one. Actually, there we go. I'll drop them right there. My floor is black, so that'll be easy to find. No. Let me use my other hand. After you get those out, you can open it, pull it back, slide it back, take it from up out of there. Oh. Sorry. Make sure they the same fitment. Yep. Screw holes look the same. They're about the same size. Make sure everything's right. You can, this is so easy, man. It's literally gonna take you like 3 minutes to do this, right? So you can order these from eBay. You can get some from the junkyard if you have some Maximas. Don't just go up to no junkyard. Make sure you Google your junkyard first so you won't be burning gas. And make sure, like if it's LKQ, pick your part. They'll have an app you can download, or you can go on their website and see if they have Maximas up there. You can see whatever cars they have on the lot. They'll tell you exactly where it's at so you can save time and save gas. Now, or like I said, you can go to eBay. I didn't see any on Amazon, but the ones that I did see on eBay were all used. And I looked at the pictures very carefully and read the description. So this is like the cleanest one that I found without the scratches and all that other stuff. But obviously you're going to reverse how you took it off is how you're going to put it exactly back on. Slide this up in there. Line it up, slide it up in there. Just like that. Put them screws up in there. Put your cover back on. Make sure everything's lined up properly. This takes like 5 minutes, man. 5 minutes max. And that's it. What's going on? Welcome back to the 4th dimension. I'm going to show you guys the other way to take off your armrest cover. I've already taken this one off. This is the old one. Let me get some light up in here. Can I get some light, girl? You didn't. Okay. I got this bright ass light, right? This is the old one. Remember the other video? I wrapped it basically, put the glue and stuff on it. This is the new one. You can find these on eBay, or if you go to the part yard. Remember, you can always look at the website, look at your nearest pick your part or junkyard. Make sure if they have a website, try to find the vehicle before you drive up there and burn your gas. Because like LKQ pick your part, they'll have an app, or you can go on the website and it'll show you what cars they have, the exact year, and the exact location, right? Save time, save money, save gas. Be smart about it. That's all I'm saying. Don't just go up there thinking you're gonna find this. But this, you can get it off eBay. I didn't see any on Amazon. This was like the cleanest one. And like I said in the other video, put some leather protection on here, right? Whether you want to put a cover on it just to protect it, or if you want to put some armor all, or McGuire's and stuff like that. So down to business. How you take this cover off? It's just clipped on there, right? So what you can do is you can wedge a screwdriver between there and pop it out. Or if your fingers are skinny enough, you get somebody with skinnier fingers, they can stick their finger under there, pull it out that way. It's just clips. There's no screws, it's just clips, literally. Once you're done with that, you're gonna come right here, ignore these 4 screws right here. What you're doing is looking under here. You got 3 Phillips heads. Let me see if I can show it to you. You got 3 Phillips heads under there. And you got 1 on the side and 1 on the other side. I gotta put this one on, but you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once you take those off, here's what you do. You're gonna open it up. You wanna push it back and pull it out because it's hooked right here. It's hooked right up here. So you can't just pull it out like that. You have to open it, pull it towards you, or push it backwards, or pull it towards you, whatever, and then let it out. And then you're gonna reverse the process. Obviously, hook it back, put the new one on there, hook it back, close it, put your screws in, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, clip it back on. Put your leather protection on there, or put a cover on there to keep this, because I don't know what it is about these Maximas and Ultimas, but I've noticed a lot of them doing this. The shit right here will tear up. Ooh, this one feels extra plush, extra plump. Ooh. But yeah, I noticed like not a lot of people have a problem with this 7th generation Maxima, things like that. And even the newer ones, that's crazy. The newer one has a better interior, right? It's a little bit smaller. You would think the quality of the material is a little bit more premium. No, people still having the same problem. Come on, Nissan. Come on, man. Like, but it's so simple. It's gonna take you at least about 3 to 5 minutes. Just get you a little drill or impact, drill it out, or use your screwdriver if you want to be safe, and pull it out. I prefer using the impact because the impact will stop. You can continue to torque it down, but you can tell when it's time to stop. Anyway, that's about it. Thanks for tuning in.